Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add radicals equation in word shortcut. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our Word document. Now we want to add radicals equation in this document. Firstly, press Alt on our keyboard, then press N, then press E, then press I, then again press Alt and press JE, then press R and choose any radical to use our down arrow, then press enter. Now we can see we added radicals equation in this document using keyboard shortcut key very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.